Hi kids! In the last lessons, we learned what are fractions. Like fractions, unlike fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, and unit fractions. Today we will learn comparing like fractions. So let's get started. Here are some like fractions, that is fractions with the same denominators. How will you compare them or tell which fraction is bigger and which one is smaller? We can do it visually, like this. First, draw the fractions 1/8. We know 1/8 means 1 part out of 8 equal parts. So we can draw it like this. 2/8 means 2 parts out of 8 parts. So we can draw it like this. Similarly, we can draw all the like fractions. Now, if I ask you, which of the fractions is largest? You can visually judge and reply that 7/8 is the largest fraction. And if I ask you, which of the fractions is smallest? You can visually judge and reply that 1/8 is the smallest fraction. So this was the visual method of comparing like fractions. Now, we will be learning another method of comparing like fractions. From the visual method of comparing like fractions, we saw that smaller the numerator, the smaller the fraction. So the other way of comparing fractions is to just compare the numerators. And the smaller the numerator, the smaller the fraction. Now, let's see some examples. 2/4 is bigger or smaller than 3/4. We have learned when we have to compare like fractions, we will compare the numerators. And here, 2 is smaller than 3. So, 2/4 is smaller than 3/4. You can verify your answer by visually drawing the fractions. 3/4 means 3 parts out of 4 parts. And 2/4 means 2 parts out of 4 parts. Here, you can visually verify that 3/4 is a bigger fraction than 2/4. Good! Let's take another example. 4/6 is bigger or smaller than 2/6. We know we have to just compare the numerators as they are like fractions. That is, their denominators are the same. Here, 2 is less than 4. So, 2/6 is less than 4/6. You can verify your answer by visually drawing the fractions. 4/6 means 4 parts out of 6 equal parts. 2/6 means 2 parts out of 6 equal parts. So we can visually see that 4/6 is a bigger fraction than 2/6. Good! So what have we learned? We have learned that to compare the like fractions, we have to compare their numerators. The smaller the numerator, the smaller the fraction. Now go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye!
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!